Well, in my task there is a requirement of blinking LED with the name that will be interpreted in a Morse code. So for this I have written a code to function this. Now I'm going to upload this code on Arduino Nano IoT. Now it is uploaded. In code I have taken user input, so for this I have to give use input. Like I'm going to write my first name, press enter. Now you can see first dot, then dot. The blinking is consisted of dot and dash, as you can see in my name. This first is dash, then thereafter 2 dots, then 3 dots for S, then H for 4 dots. Thereafter A consisted of 1 dot as well as dash. So my LED is blinking for 12 times, and the 1 unit consisted of 40 milliseconds that I have declared in a code. So dash is consisted of 3 units. So if for dash LED will be blinking for 1200 milliseconds. Now I'm going to enter A. It is blinked for 2 times because A is consisted of 1 dot and 1 dash, and the gap between the letters will be 3 units, and between the Morse code will be 1 unit. That's how it's working. Now I'm going to show you the code in which I've declared the pin on number 13, because this pin is connected to the inbuilt LED in Arduino Nano board. I'm going to take a user input, so for this I've declared an array consisted of A to Z alphabets in the Morse code. Thereafter I did setup for a serial begin for the serial monitor, and I want to get to know the user what they can write. So for this I printed enter your name. Thereafter I used a loop for the functionality of whole code. So for this I use if for checking if 0 is available. If it's available, then the user input will be read in the form of string. Thereafter the for loop will be used for traverse the array from the characters. Then I use the nested for loop for traversing the particular alphabet, like it is consisted of dot and dash, so it will be traversed conveniently. Thereafter I checked if there is a dot, it will be used a blink dot function. That means LED will be on and for 400 milliseconds, then it will be delay for 400 milliseconds. Thereafter it will be off for 400 milliseconds, as it worked like that. Thereafter if the inserted loop will be finished, then the outer loop will be worked, as after one alphabet there will be delay of 12 milliseconds, that is 3 into 1 unit, because every alphabet there should be delay of 3 units. Then after the completion of all letters, there will be delay of 7 units. That's how it works.